Demings was not in the car, red Mitsubishi, at any point on October 26th, 2018. Same 4 people got in, same 4 people got out. He recalled different clothing the defendant was wearing at Frito Benny's house. And he authenticated those photos Danny Polo first introduced, that those were from that evening. Where you see Anthony Williams sitting on a couch smiling, where you see Christopher Thomas animated standing up, where you see Jim Demings doing a handshake with the engineer. And look at those photos, ladies and gentlemen, because if you zoom in and you look up at the top of the one photo where the engineer is sitting down at the computer, Mr. Demings is standing up, you can see the exact same screen